Hello and welcome to everyone. This is Kite Bhai here. In this video, we are going to see how you can download any PDF drive book or an ebook for free of cost. There are majority of sites on internet that claims to give you free PDFs, but the top one and the prominent one is the PDF drive. In this site, you can download any book from any subject. This is and the and there is no need for this sign up and so on so ads. You can just search for your book. For example, if I'm looking for a medical books, then it will have more than millions of a medical related stuff. So you have an around 1 million books on the medical topics. So this is the major website, and I can say this thing in Google for the PDF book.